Dad, Cat, and Kitten are happily riding the subway when a bunch of mutant rats attack the train. Dad Cat is trying to get his kittens out of this ship full of monsters.
Dad, be careful.
It turns out that Daddy Cat is also a green monster, and this evil monkey experiment with chemicals to create those monsters. The kitten keeps encountering monsters and running away, but he still tries to find his dad.
Dad, I found you.
The kitten saw that his father was mutating into a green monster, so he found an antidote for him. All the rats have returned to normal and go catch the evil monkey.